My name is Amy. Oh, I'm happy to meet you again. Hi, how are you? How do you feel? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? How are you, everyone? I am great. Yes, I'm great today. Okay, if you are ready, put your hands on your head. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me. Look at the sky, look at the sky. How is the weather? How's the weather today? Is it snowy today? No, it's not snowy today. Is it hot today? No, it's not hot anymore. 이제 더 이상 더운 것 같지 않아요. It's not hot today. Okay, Korea, we have 4 seasons. 우리나라에는 4개의 계절이 있대요. Okay, wait a minute. What season is this? This is spring. This is summer. This is fall. This is winter. Yeah. Spring, summer, fall, winter. 봄, 여름, 가을, 겨울. Spring, summer, fall, winter. 봄, 여름, 가을, 겨울. Yes. Okay. Now, summer is gone. 이제 여름이 거의 간 것 같아요. Summer is gone. And then, what comes next? The season. 다음엔 어떤 계절이 올까요? Yes, that's right. This is fall. Oh, how's the weather in fall? 가을 날씨는 windy. Yes, it is a windy and 앞머리만 살랑살랑 흔들리는 시원한 날씨. It is cool. It is cool. Yes, that's right. So, today it's cool. Yes, it's a cool today. Good. And then, oh, I have some question. Look at this. This is a winter. So, how's the weather? How's the weather in winter? It is cold. Yes, it is cold and snowy. Yes, you're right. Okay, now we are going to sing a hello song. Music, cue.
Hello, everyone.
Now walking, running, dancing, jumping. 1, 2, ready, go. Hello, everyone. Hey, nice to see you again. Hello, everyone. Hey, good to see you again. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Hello, 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 hello. Walking, running, dancing, jumping. Woo. Ready, go. Hello, everyone. Hey, nice to see you again. Hello, everyone. Hey, good to see you again. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Hello, 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 hello. Wow, you are a good singer. Do you like to play a game? Yes, I like to play a game, so I prepared the summer game for you. Let's play together. Play a game, and small game. And then I have some picture card. Ta-da! How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel? Oh, look at this. I lost my bike. 자전거를 잃어버렸대요. How do you feel? I am sad. I am sad. And next, my brother broke my toys. I am so angry. Yes. How do you feel? I am angry. And then, oh, I want to drink water. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Woo! I got a present for my family. I'm so happy. Yes, I am happy. Okay, very good. And then I will take out the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look at this. Who is happy? Who is sad? I don't know. 선생님은 누가 목이 말랐는지, 누가 기뻤는지 잘 모르겠어요. Okay, I have some picture card. Let's do it. And how do you feel? How do you feel? I am happy. I am happy. So, who is happy? This friend? 자, 그러면 이 친구한테 너 행복하니? 하고 한번 우리 친구들이 물어보자. Are you happy? 1, 2. Are you happy? Are you happy? Turn it over. Oh, are you happy? No, I'm not happy. I am thirsty. 땡. 틀렸어요. Who is happy? Who is happy? 우리 친구한테 물어볼까요? Are you happy? Yes, I am happy. Oh, you're right. And next, how do you feel? How do you feel? I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Who is thirsty? 친구한테 물어볼까요? 우리 뭐라고 물어보면 좋을까? Are you? 시작. Are you thirsty? Thirsty, 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 thirsty? Yes, I am thirsty. Very good. Okay, next, ta-da! How do you feel? How do you feel? I am angry. Yes, I am angry. Who is angry? Who is angry? 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. 이 친구한테 화났니? 하고 한번 물어보자. Are you angry? Are you angry? Yes, I'm angry. 우리 친구들 왜 이렇게 잘해요? Very good. And then next, ta-da! How do you feel? How do you feel? Yes, okay. You can say to this. Are you sad? Are you sad? Yes, I am sad. Yes, perfect. Okay, you can ask to your friend and your mother. 엄마랑 친구한테 오늘 기분 한번 물어보세요. Are you happy? Are you sad? 하고요. Okay. It's review time. What did you learn? Let's the class. We studied alphabet and sounds. Okay, let's review together. Look at this card. What letter is this? Alphabet K. Yes, big K and small k. What does it sounds? K says k, 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 k. Okay, look at this picture. Can you find 3 things? Alphabet K. Yes. K, k. Kangaroo. K, k. Key. K, k. Koala. 3개 다 찾았어요? Very good. You're right. And then, next, ta-da! What letter is this? Alphabet B. L. Small L. L says L. Okay, look at this picture. Can you find 3 things? First letter alphabet L. Okay, let's find together. Lion. Lamb. lamb. 이거는 선생님이랑 배우지 않았어요. 지금 처음 배우는 거예요. 양이에요. lamb. Okay? Ta-da! What letter is this? Alphabet B. M. Small M. Okay, M says m. Okay, can you find 3 things? Mouse. Monkey. What is this? Moon. Perfect. Let's play hide and seek. Hide and seek. Hide and seek. Do you know hide and seek? Hide and seek is 숨바꼭질. Okay, let's play hide and seek together. And then, what is this? Yes, this is an alligator. This is an alligator. Do you like alligator? Yes, I like alligator. Okay, very good. And let's play hide and seek with alligator. Everybody, close your eyes. 눈을 감고 you can count from 1 to 10. Okay, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now open your eyes. Oh, where is the alligator? Where do you think the alligator is hiding? Let's find together. Alligator, where are you? 어디 있을까? Number 6, open the gate. 1, 2, 3, open. No, alligator is not here. Where is the alligator? Number 5, okay, let's open the door. 1, 2, 3, open. Wow, very good. Alligator is here. Okay, now we're going to play hide and seek today. So before we start, we'll learn about the motion. Music, cue. One, two, ready, go.
Hide and seek, hide and seek. Let's play hide and seek, hide and seek, hide and seek. It's fun to play. Run, 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 as fast as you can. Hide, 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 as quiet as you can. If you are hide, I will find you. If I see you, I will catch you.
Okay.
I will cover my eyes and I will not peek. I will count to 10.
Everybody hide.
1,
1,
2.
Okay, everyone. Did you hear that? Okay, everybody hide. This time, you have to hide everywhere. In your house, in your classroom. Okay? Now, I'm ready to play hide and seek. You and me. Everybody, up, stand up, please. Okay, I will be it, so I'm trying to catch you. So, if you have to run away from me and hide, okay? But don't worry, I will wear a mask. Okay, music, cue.
hide and seek. It's fun to play.
Run!
Run, run, run. As fast as you can.
Hide!
Hide, hide, hide. As quiet as you can. If you will hide, I will find you. If I see you, I will catch
You! Yes?
I will
No,
cover
no,
my eyes and I will not peek. I will count to 10. Everybody hide.
Hide!
1, 2, 3,
You have to hide!
4,
You have to run away from me and hide!
6, 7,
8,
9,
10!
Ready or not, here I come.
Where are you, everyone?
Everybody come out.
Everybody, come on! Yes, very good. Okay, wow. Yes, wow, this is really fun. So, ding, 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 ding. Time's up. 벌써 헤어질 시간이에요. 틱톡, 틱톡, time's up. 틱톡, 틱톡, time's up. Was it fun today? Yes, me too. Okay, goodbye. See you next time. Bye bye. Aha, yeah, this is your homework. 숙제가 있어요. You have to play hide and seek with your mom and dad. 엄마랑 아빠랑 꼭 집에서 해보세요. This is your homework. 숙제. Goodbye.